Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is March 9th. We do have a USDA report for grains, supply and demand, out today at 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. And we're going to be reminded once again of some big carry-out numbers and probably going to see them increase from where they were last month. We're starting things off today down a little bit, 3/4 of a cent lower on corn, half lower beans, maybe 3/4 of a cent lower in wheat. But some of the expectations for this report, looking for an average, or I guess I should say the trade average right now for carry out on corn, 1.854. That's an increase from 1.837 last month. So slight increase there. For beans, 452 million is the average guess. 450 million is where we were last month. And then wheat at 975. We were at 966. So once again, an increase, corn, beans, and wheat, and looking for things to maybe settle down or set back from the rally that we've had once these numbers come out. But we're going to trade these numbers for what? Maybe 10, 15 minutes, maybe even less than that. The focus is going to be on what's everything else doing. Are we going to continue to see short covering for grains? We've seen that. We're probably going to continue to see that. And right now, with the massive short position that the funds have for corn and wheat, we should see some support from that, and maybe they just reduce their position size. There's nothing that I can tell you today that's going to be, hey, things are bullish all of a sudden. They're not. But when you look at crude oil has probably bottomed. And so you've got those short positions coming out of some of the short positions and buying back and starting to firm that market up. Well, it's giving hope for commodities in general. So are we going to see that filter into the rest of the commodities? When they have a massive position, as I mentioned, for corn and beans short, they're short wheat, they're short everything. Are they going to just tighten up their position and produce more short covering for us this time? And I think we probably will see that. And that's what we're kind of expecting here once we get through this report. But the initial numbers probably will be negative. So we'll see what kind of reaction we get at 11 o'clock. Livestock. We did see an early trade yesterday, 136 for cattle. The futures are pricing in 137, looking for things to firm up maybe a little bit more. But yes, we are looking for maybe a little better pricing yet throughout the week. But we'll have to see where cash is at. Not getting any other bids yet or as of yet. So we'll keep an eye on that as we go throughout the rest of the week. Hogs, April, we're finding a sell-off. I think you've got a lot of spreading going on, selling the April contract, buying some of these deferred months, supporting the back months, but they are, April is finding some pressure right now and getting that seasonal sell-off that we had mentioned before. Stock market, about 70 points higher. We've got crude oil up right now about 70 cents. You got the dollar up 27. So a lot of these financial markets, energy markets, everything is stronger. And so look for any kind of a stronger break on this report for grains. We may look at that as more of a buying opportunity here for a short term. So anyway, give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. Don't forget about our acreage survey that's going on right now. We've only got a couple days left on it. Please get us your numbers, and we greatly appreciate that. But you can go right online, allendale-inc.com. To input those numbers, or give us a call at 800-262-7538. You guys have a great day out there, and we will talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.